Hello everyone. Today in this video I am trying to explain about how to download and install Node.js on Windows 11. So open any one of your favorite browser, then type Node.js. So click on Node.js download. So open official website of nodejs.org. So under downloads tab you can find the latest version of Node.js. Here right now latest version of Node.js is 20.12.2. This is the latest version. Click on download. So specify the download location where you want to try to download. So it is 25 MB only. So now go to that specified location, I mean where you downloaded that software. So extract that Node.js. I mean double click also no problem. So where is that Node.js here? So double click on that downloaded software. It will prompt one wizard. I mean Windows. I mean in Windows to installation of Node.js. So click on accept and I mean license agreement. Click on next, next. So it is very straightforward, simple. Leave everything default until unless if you don't know anything. So install. That's it. So once the installation process is done, you can check Node.js is installed or not by entering command like nodejs -hyphen version. So here it is asking prompt. I mean click on yes. So do you want to allow this app make changes in your device? So click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will done installation process. Click on finish. So to check Node.js is installed or not, open any one of your favorite terminal. So here I am trying to open PowerShell node -hyphen version. So here it is installed, right? This is the latest version we found on Google Chrome, right? So 20.12.12. So this is the latest version. Now you can play on your own. So type click on Node.js cell, click I mean enter node. So once you type a node, then hit on enter. Now you enter into Node.js. You can type like console.log. So interactive cell, I mean repel, I mean read print evaluate loop. So not only I mean console.log, I can write functions also. Const add, so I'm trying to write arrow function. Now call that function. So with this node.js is installed successfully, right? You are playing with an node.js cell also, I mean repel tool. So I hope you got clarity how to download and install Node.js on Windows. So if you find the content is valuable, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT.